work so I can relax and get some rest.
You're not gonna get the stick?
Throw it for her.
Like a big
She
dog.
won't let me get it.
Take it from her.
She won't. That's how she is with her frisbee. Can't get the stick.
Can't.
Step on it. Step on it. That's how you get it.
Yeah. Look. You doing a video?
Yeah. Trying to keep up with them.
Look.
At least all the dirt.
James is holding it in his mouth and Lace is trying to get it out.
That's cute. Isn't that sweet? Maybe I could call over. Hi, come here.
She loves James doing that to her.
She likes being chased.
Typical female.
Kate said, "Can I have a bite of it?"
She looks at him.
Oh, guess she told sorry. She got pissed. She said, "You hit my bag. I ain't playing." I'm sorry. She won't hurt you.
He needs that. He needs it to happen. He needs to.
What you got,
He
Lacey?
needs the wrath of the female on him.
Well, I mean, he's so nice. He needs to get toughened up some, I think. Dogs take advantage of him and bite him and.
She might not do it. Come here, let me check you. Lie down, let me check you. Let me check you. She's not gonna do
She's
it.
used to being on the bed.
Yeah,
probably.
she's used to letting us check you.
Okay.
That wasn't even the one he threw.
Oh, it's so funny.
There it is.